Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum 7th class. We have started our chapter number 3, which is reproduction in plants. So today we are going to discuss about formation of seeds and fruits. So actually many plants grow and bear fruit to protect their seeds. A seed protects the embryo inside it. In addition, shapes of seeds and fruits help in their dispersal. A seed protects its embryo. Seeds and fruits are formed by fertilization. As we have discussed that fertilized egg inside the ovary develops into embryo. The ovary grows large and develops into a fruit, and fruit protects seeds. So actually embryo is an important structure, and here in this picture you can see the embryo in the seed is the future plant. Now what is seed dispersal? It is the movement, spread or transport of seeds away from the parent plant. यानी सीड डिस्पर्सल क्या है कि सीड्स का पेरेंट प्लांट से दूर जाना. अब इसमें भी कई चीजें इन्वॉल्व होंगी. सो देयर आर 5 मेन मोड्स ऑफ सीड डिस्पर्सल: ग्रेविटी, विंड, बैलिस्टिक in which seed is forcefully ejected, water, and by animals. So actually seed dispersal is very important for the survival of plant species. If plants grow too closely together, so they have to compete for light, water, and nutrients from the soil. So seed dispersal allows the plants to spread out from a wide area and avoid competing with one another for the same resources. So firstly we will discuss about seed. After fertilization, an ovule becomes a seed. The embryo and its store of food are covered by a tough seed coat. यानी फर्टिलाइजेशन के बाद ओव्यूल सीड में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है और एम्ब्रियो जो है वो एक हार्ड कोट से कवर हो जाता है जिसे सीड कोट कहते हैं. सो द मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ द सीड इज इट्स एम्ब्रियो एंड एम्ब्रियो ग्रोज इनटू अ न्यू प्लांट. नाउ देयर इज क्वेश्चन: what is the function of the outer covering and stored food of a seed? So seed coat provides protection, and the purpose of seed coat is to protect seed from physical, temperature related or water damage. The seed coat also ensures that the plant seed remain in the state of dormancy until conditions are right for plant embryo to germinate. And secondly, stored food is used for support embryo during seed germination, and stored food is in the form of fats, carbohydrates, and proteins. The ovary develops into the fruit and the ovule becomes a seed. So the fruit develops from the following layers: fruit wall from ovary wall and seed from ovule. So there are 3 parts of embryo: radicle, plumule, cotyledons. So firstly we will discuss about radicle. So this part of the embryo develops into the first root of the new plant. So the radicle is the first part of a seed to emerge from the seed during the process of seed germination. So it is the embryonic root inside the seed. So here in this picture, red color shows the structure of radicle. So the second part of the embryo is plumule. This part of the embryo develops into the first shoot stem of the new plant. So plumule is a small conical structure without any leaf structure. Growth of the plumule does not occur until the cotyledons have grown above the ground. So the third part of embryo is cotyledon, which supply food to the growing young plant. So in Latin, cotyledon means seed leaf. It is a significant part of the embryo within a seed of a plant and is defined as the embryonic leaf in seed-bearing plants. So main function of cotyledon is to provide nourishment to the embryo. So here you can see that how seed develops into a new young plant by the process of germination. You can also do an activity so that you have clear idea of parts of embryo. So take some gram seeds and soak them in water for a few hours. They swell up after absorbing water. Now remove the seed coat and you can examine all parts of embryo that we have discussed. So you have to highlight this page. Now here is the answer of long question number 3, which is describe the structure of a seed. So you have to learn from seed to cotyledons. You can also give heading of seed coat to the first paragraph and embryo on second paragraph, and parts of embryo on the last line of the second paragraph, and diagram with the labeling is also included in this long question. So thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.